Hello everyone, welcome back to IPLF Insights. Today we'll be delving into another topic which is very crucial for the institutes and the college, basically academic sides. So I have with me Paulomi who will be assisting on this. So Paulomi, what happens is like we get a lot of questions from colleges, professors, students, जहाँ पे उनको कुछ abstract सा idea है. It is just on the idea stage, not very concrete. और वो कैसे उसको पेटेंट फाइल करें. Then secondly, sometimes you also get where in colleges ने कुछ एप्लीकेशंस फाइल कर रखी थी पहले एंड वी गेट दी हैंड ओवर केसेस. फिर उसमें पता चलता है कि इट इज़ वेरी वेरी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एंड नॉट गुड टू गो फॉर अ पेटेंट. सो व्हाट इज़ द सॉल्यूशन हियर?
Yes, Bhumika, thank you for asking this question. Whenever we receive any project from the university end, it is our first duty to analyze whether this particular invention is a mere abstract idea or it is a patentable subject matter. And in order to do that, first we analyze or evaluate whether this falls within the definition of invention under Section 3 of the Indian Patent Act. And once we have assessed or evaluated that it is an invention or it falls under the definition of invention under the Act, we try to determine whether the problem that this invention is trying to solve is actually contributing to some technical advancement or it is providing some sort of economical efficiency in comparison to all the existing knowledge available in the public domain. For example, an abstract idea can be like a time machine, while a method or an apparatus to build a time machine or to do time travel. Whereas an subject like a patentable subject matter that can be retrieved from this idea is that if we build a memory machine, for example a scrapbook with QR codes which can actually play videos and audios of your previous birthdays and make you feel like you have traveled back in time.
Okay. So I think so that was quite insightful. अब आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा reference मिलेगा how you can decide on, and for more information do connect back. Thank you.